Hey, what is up, techie people? Hopefully, everyone is doing well out there and enjoying a great health. So, for today's episode, I have another insanely detailed watch face that is from Urarity watch faces, and name of this specific design is Manifest X Titanium Bronze, available on the Samsung Galaxy apps. As you can see, here is the name present at the top, and here in the background, we have a ton of animation going around. Also, developer has provided us his super handy online coupon generator tool. Just select your country, copy the code and apply it on the Samsung Galaxy apps. And if your country is not present, you can just use the global A1. Also, make sure you try your luck as soon as possible because coupons for these type of watch faces, they get pretty quickly out of stock. And guys, moving back to the watch face design, here we have these mechanical dials which are insanely detailed. Further, I can double tap here in the center of the watch face to change the themes with this design. This black one kinda looks nice with the little dials in the background. Further, you can keep on tapping, and here we have total of 25 themes with this specific design. Here you can see 25 unique themes with this Manifest X Titanium Bronze. All of these themes are extremely detailed, and you can see here I have this simple one, this bronze one, and here keep on tapping. In this way you can keep changing the themes with this specific design. Further, talking about shortcuts, I can double tap here on the left side of the watch face, which is showing my digital time, to go to my specific app shortcut menu. And in the same way, I can double tap here on this little step counter, so it will take me to my step counter here in this S Health. And one more shortcut is available. If I double tap here, it will take me to my heart rate menu. So in this way you can control this watch face, Urarity Manifest X Titanium Bronze. Now we will see its always on display mode. So guys, here is the always on display mode on the watch face. As you can see, the darker background together with the stopped animation will conserve a lot of battery life in this specific mode. Still, it is showing our analog time along with the digital time here on the left side of the watch face. You can just rotate the bezel to bring back all the animation as well as the dial in the background. So do check it out, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.